Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is making headlines as it gears up to redefine the smartwatch landscape. Early leaks and reports suggest that this next-generation wearable isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a bold step forward, blending sophisticated design with cutting-edge health and tech features. Samsung appears to be steering its wearables in a fresh direction, focusing on updated aesthetics, powerful new features, and smarter software to elevate the user experience. At the heart of this evolution stands the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, poised to be the flagship of Samsung's smartwatch lineup. Fans of the Galaxy Watch Classic series have long admired its signature rotating bezel, elegant design, and professional vibe. In this new iteration, Samsung is refining the look even further. Expect sharper lines, improved durability, and the use of high-end materials. Reports hint at stronger metals and possibly ceramic elements, offering enhanced scratch resistance while preserving the watch's luxurious appeal. The goal is clear: to create a smartwatch that's both a statement piece and a powerhouse of functionality. A key highlight of this release is the integration of Wear OS 6 with Samsung's One UI 7. This combination aims to deliver a smoother, more cohesive interface across Samsung's devices, with refined animations and a more intuitive feel. Navigating apps, checking notifications, and monitoring health stats will be more seamless and connected than ever before. With the boost from Wear OS 6, users can look forward to faster performance and a cleaner, more accessible layout. One of the most intriguing rumored changes is a shift in virtual assistant technology, moving from Google Assistant to Google Gemini AI, marking a fresh approach to voice interactions on the device.